Waste of time and money. That's what this member here said, as you can see on the 24th of April, just a day after I posted the golf value betting suggestions over on the Golf Boss Discord. So were last week's bets I suggested a waste of time and money? Well, not only are we going to look at last week's results, but I'll also share with you the full month of April of the Golf Boss golf value betting suggestions. Before we get into it though, as usual, I'd just quickly like to mention the Profit Boss match betting and value betting Facebook group, which you can check out via the link down in the description. But having said that, getting on to the last week's bets that was suggested then for the ISPS Handa Championship, you can see here in the Golf Boss Discord, and if you don't know what Golf Boss is, it's basically a value betting service that I started providing at the beginning of April this year. Now, as you can see, as mentioned, these bets were suggested on the 23rd of April, just that one day before the member cancelled, calling this a waste of time and money. And you can see here that there were 9 value bets offered across the Betfair exchange, and then the remaining bets there offered at various bookmakers, such as Betfair Sportsbook, Betfred, Unibet, Sky Bet, LiveScoreBet. And you can see, 9 Betfair exchange covering the win and top 5 market. So unlike other services where you're only getting the win bet at Betfair exchange, I'll also advise what you should get the odds at for the top 5 market, just to reduce the variance. And then there's the 13 bets in total from bookmakers. So a total of 22 bets in total for the week. Now, some of you would have had these results already on the Facebook group, or you may have had an email from me. But for those of you that aren't aware, let's just see what happened. So we actually had no winners at all this week from the Betfair exchange bets. Just wasn't meant to be for the Betfair exchange. But over on the bookmaker side, the player that won was actually this one here, which was from a Sky Bet suggestion. And I probably won't be able to pronounce the name correctly, but it was Yuto Katsura Gawa. And that player was at back odds of 125 to 1. I suggested that you'd place £1.48 each way on that player, so a total of £2.96. Now, on the Golf Boss Discord, there's a few text channels, so we've got the new member welcome area, then results chat. Obviously, you can chat about what's going on with the results there, and sometimes people want to discuss about trading out early, or should they leave it to run to the end. Latest value bets, that's of course where I just post the latest value bets in. And non-golf chat there is literally just for anything not related to golf value betting. Then you got the support channel. If you have any questions for myself or from the other members that maybe you want to ask for help there, you can do. And then if we go on to previous results here, this is where I'm posting after every week which winners we've had and sharing the results. So yeah, you can see here at 9 p.m. Sunday evening, I just totaled up the results from week 4 of Golf Boss, with us getting the winner at back odds of 125 to 1. And you can see here we're on week 4, but on week 3 we had 2 tournaments, which were not the most successful there, but that's the way it's going to go. It's value betting, so not every week is going to be profitable. Which reminds me to mention, if you are someone that wants to join this service for like 1 or 2 weeks and expect an instant profitable result, I really don't want you to get involved, because this is just for people that understand how value betting works and how you're going to have variance with profit and losses going up and down. And we may even go a whole month with no profit. I just want people to be aware of that. So you really need to try this service out for a minimum of 3 months at least. So please don't join if you only want to join for 1 month and you think that's all you need to do. It is not for you. But week 4 then, the ISPS Handa Championship, can see the Betfair profit, as I say, non-won, so we had minus £44.53. The bookmaker profit, with us getting the winner at Sky Bet there, was £169.49. This is all based off a £1,000 bankroll, so if you had, say, a £5,000 bankroll, you could times all this profit by 5, for example. Event profit there, £124.96 once we'd taken the loss from Betfair off the bookmaker profit, meaning our total Betfair profit of around £232 and some change, and a total bookmaker profit now of £80.35, giving us a total running profit of £312.82 if you were to join this from the very first week. So bear in mind the service costs $16.99 a month, so you'd be at just shy of £300 profit for literally 20 to 30 minutes of work each week in just these 4 weeks here. We had the winner on the Valero Texas Open, Akshay Bhatia. So we had an outright winner there. And then in this week 4, we had that Yuto Katsuragawa there. I think I said that even better that time. So really, really happy with how the results are going so far for Golf Boss. Now, I am capping this membership at 200 people. That's all that will be allowed to come into the membership. And there's quite a few people that have mentioned that they're interested in joining, but they just want to see more results. But if you're one of those people that's wanting to get joined up, I wouldn't leave it too long, because from what I can see here, we now have 89 members, meaning there's just 111 places left before I'll close off any new signups. If you enjoyed this video, I do appreciate you supporting the channel by tapping the like button below. And as usual, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.